Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable automatic restart after Windows Update. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable automatic restart after a Windows Update, begin by accessing your device settings. Click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Select the gear icon to open the settings window. In the settings window, choose Update and Security. Once in the Update and Security section, click on Windows Update located on the left pane. Look for the option labeled Advanced Options and click on it. Within the Advanced Options, find the section titled Restart Options. You will see a toggle switch next to show a notification when your PC requires a restart. This setting will notify you before your PC restarts after an update. Next, navigate back to the main Windows Update page. At the bottom, you'll find a link that says Delivery Optimization. Click on this link. In the Delivery Optimization section, look for Advanced Options. Here, ensure Allow Downloads from other PCs is turned off. This will prevent other devices on your network from prompting updates and restarts. Now, return to the main Update and Security menu. Select Change Active Hours to specify when restarts are allowed. Set your preferred hours when you commonly use your device. This prevents automatic restarts during those times. Finally, you can configure your group policy if you're using Windows Pro or Enterprise editions. Press the Windows key and type pedit.msc to open the group policy editor. Navigate to Computer Configuration, then to Administrative Templates. From there, select Windows Components, followed by Windows Update. Locate and double-click on No Auto Restart with logged-on users for scheduled automated updates installations. Select Enabled and click OK to apply the changes. With these steps completed, your computer will no longer restart automatically after a Windows update. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.